I feel I should have started. First of all, if I would have started earlier, I would have maybe gotten time to give my GMAT again and increase my score. That is definitely there. But yeah, so apart from that, when you go to round two, definitely the competition increases. And if you're going in with a lower score, 100% round one makes it easier for you to actually get in, because and as Indians, like you already have a lot of competition going on. So if you're applying out of India or something like that, I would suggest apply as soon as you can, because I personally faced this, that I did not apply to a few schools in round one. I applied in round two. I did get an interview invite, but ultimately I got waitlisted or I got rejected. Uh, Maybe if I would have applied earlier, then I would have gotten a buffer time to say, if they would have reached out to me saying, hey, if we are rejecting you or we are waitlisting you because your score is low, then I would have enough buffer to give my exam again and try to increase my score or something like that. So
Got it.
that, I think that buffer was not there for me for a few schools.